from the aldehyde and ketone, that is called Cannizaro reactions. That is called Cannizaro reaction. Cannizaro reaction. That is called Cannizaro reaction, in which the two molecules of the formaldehyde combine in the presence of strong sodium hydroxide solution. And strong sodium hydroxide solution means 50% sodium hydroxide solution, and it will give carboxylic acid and the methyl alcohol. One half of the aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylic acid, and the other half is reduced. One half is oxidized and the other half is reduced to alcohol. So we have this reaction of the aldehyde and ketone aldehyde. We will take two molecules of the formaldehyde and it will give formaldehyde, that is sodium formate, and methyl alcohol. This is called Cannizaro reaction. This is called Cannizaro reaction. The aldehydes which contain which lacks alpha hydrogen. The aldehydes which lacks alpha hydrogen can give rise to the Cannizaro reactions. The aldehydes which lacks alpha hydrogen, यानी जिनमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं होते, when heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, a solution undergo disproportionate reaction. One half is reduced to alcohol and the other half is oxidized to carboxylic acid. That is called the Cannizaro reaction. This reaction is called Cannizaro reaction. The aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen will not give this reaction. Only the aldehyde which lacks alpha hydrogen will give rise to this reaction. Now we will discuss this aldehyde, this Cannizaro reaction further. We can also write this like this. Sodium hydroxide, so HCOONA plus methyl alcohol. Now we will discuss the mechanism of the reaction of this Cannizaro reaction. The mechanism of the reaction of the, it is two-step reactions. In the first step, the formaldehyde, one molecule of formaldehyde react with in the presence of sodium hydroxide, to form that is formaldehyde plus hydroxyl ion. So this will react with the electrophilic carbon atom. This pi electrons move to oxygen. And we will get this one. So in the first step, the hydroxyl ion attacks the carbonyl carbon or electrophilic carbon to form the this intermediate compound. After that, in the second step called hydride ion transfer. Second step is called hydride ion transfer. Hydride ion transfer. Hydride ion transfer. In this step, this intermediate formed in the first step will react with another molecules of aldehyde and with another molecule of aldehyde unionized aldehyde molecules. Step is hydride ion transfer. In this step, hydride ion react with another unionized molecule of the formaldehyde like this. This hydride ion now this intermediate will react with the I will reaction with this intermediate compound. After that, it will second step is the hydride ion transfer. Second step is the hydride ion transfer. So hydride ion, you will see from this second step, the arrow this point out. This hydrogen will move to the carbonyl carbon, and in this way we will form this compound methoxide and this carboxylic acid, formic acid. After that, again this hydrogen will transfer to this methoxide to form the methyl alcohol, and methyl formate ion is formed. And after that, when it will react with the sodium ion, it will form sodium formate, as we have discussed in the first step. Again, I will say precise this reaction. Cannizaro reaction is only given by those aldehydes which lack sulfur hydrogen. They will react in the presence of strong sodium hydroxide to give a disproportionate reaction. One half is oxidized to carboxylic acid and one half is reduced to methyl alcohol. So the first step is that the formaldehyde react in the presence react with the hydroxyl ion to form this intermediate compound. Then this compound react with another unionized molecule of formaldehyde to give this reaction formic acid plus methoxide ion. Then one hydrogen is transferred from the methoxide ion from the formic acid to the methoxide ion to give methyl alcohol. So in the end we will get methoxide formate ion and methyl alcohol. So that is the Cannizaro reaction.